Hey, Harlan. You want to stand up for your grandma? Ain't you being a good boy? Yeah, let go. Yeah, you can let go. Uh-huh. Just like you were doing. Yeah, both hands. Both hands. Yeah. Hey, give me your other hand. Give me your other hand. Now stand up for grandma's and grandpa. Tell them. Show them. Both hands. I wish I could hold the camera and clap. Let's see. Yeah. Nothing, huh?